Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, August 24th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. As you can see, London session almost doesn't exist with the release of the very important data. So it was during the Asian session. Nevertheless, during the New York session, we got plenty of the data scheduled for release. First very important thing is that today starts the Jackson Hole Symposium, when where the Fed the chairperson is present, of course, Jerome Powell, and he might give us some clues. He might give some remarks later on about the situation with the interest rates and inflation and stuff like this. So this Jackson Hole Symposium will take place for 2 days, Thursday and Friday. So it's very important to keep an eye on the data coming from the Jackson Hole Symposium, especially when this symposium will be about to terminate, especially in Friday. Okay. Nevertheless, the next very important data releases are core durable goods orders from the US and initial jobless claims. Both of them are scheduled for release at 2:30. From Canada, we got the wholesale sales scheduled for release at 2:30 as well, and then 30 minutes after the 10 o'clock, Fed will release the balance sheet. So this is the situation for the Thursday. Pretty impressive, pretty nice for all of the day traders and short-term traders. And of course, the Jackson Hole Symposium, once again, please be aware of the fact that it will take 2 days to complete it, and this might get very violent, very busy during the unexpected news, data, remarks, comments, releases from the Jackson Hole Symposium members. Now let's do the technical analysis of the main pairs right now. All right, so we are going to take a look at the euro dollar first. Why? The main reason why we're looking at the euro dollar is that we've tested 3 times this technical support level 1.0834, and finally we broke it. The new low was made at 1.0804, as you can see here, but then massive big candle was made, and the market managed to hit the intraday technical resistance at 1.0874. So roughly we traveled almost 70 pips. Right now we consolidate just above this 50 periods moving average. If momentum will be above the level of the 50 on the RSI, then there is a chance to test 100 periods moving average, roughly 1.0926, and this technical resistance 1.0931, together with the orange trend line. This trend line is the short-term trend line, and it needs to be violated for the market to rally towards the next target at 1.1062. If there is no breakout, another lower low will be made. In this lower low will be a swing low. So in that situation, our head and shoulders pattern, as you can see here, will develop just as expected. So that's the euro dollar. Let's find out what's going on the British pound. The British pound technical support, as you can see, was established at 1.2590, and one more level was a crucial one as well, 1.2620. 2620 was tested for the first time and then the second time on the 4-hour chart, and every time the market bounced. Last time it was yesterday, again very big candle happened here on the 4-hour chart. So we now can see how this candle develops. We went towards the 50 periods moving average, and now we are trading around this moving average with the neutral momentum, neutral to negative right now, because we're slightly going lower. Of course, in order to continue this up move, we need to break above 100 periods moving average 1.2744, above the intraday technical resistance 1.2763, 1.2779. to get towards the 1.2814 and break above this short-term trend line resistance as well. If this scenario will not materialize, then new low will be made, preferably for the best below 1.2590. all right, and this is again the head and the shoulders, left and right shoulders pattern in progress. In that situation, only if we break below this demand zone and the technical support levels. Okay, so that's the British pound. Let's now take a look a little bit about at the Bitcoin a little bit. What do we have here? We retraced 23% of the last big wave down. We are approaching 38%, and 38% is located at 1.20, let's say 27,230. Okay, let's stick with this. 50% retracement is 27,770, and 61% is very close to this supply zone located just above 28,500 level, because 61% is located at 28,365. So those are the retracement levels. Now we bounced from the extremely oversold market conditions. We bounced from the new local and swing low 25,364. Now we made a local high 26,779, and the market is trying to move even higher towards one of the Fibonacci retracement, or one of the towards the 100 periods moving average. This moving average is right now located at 27,561. Momentum is positive already, but it's not that strong, 54 points. So we need a pickup in the momentum in order to retrace even more of the recent wave to the downside. So everyone is waiting right now for it, especially every bullish oriented person. In the unlikely event this market will reverse to the downside and make a new low below 25,364, this down move will extend, and unfortunately sooner or later lower levels will be hit as well, maybe even $20,000 level. So this is the Bitcoin outlook. Pretty straightforward. We need to break above the supply zone for the market to return to some kind of neutral to bullish view, to neutral to bullish outlook. It won't be the uptrend yet, because for the uptrend we need to break above 30,192. This is the swing high from August 9th, 2023. So that was the Bitcoin. Let's now take a look at the Ethereum. As you can see, pretty candle here was made. This is of course the pin bearish candle, kind of a hammerish candle here, with the low at 1,579, but that wasn't the low. The low was established on the August 18th. The low is still 1,545. So this is the wave down, and we managed to retrace already in the first go almost 50%, and then again almost 50% of the whole movement to the downside. Very nice breakout above 50 periods moving average. We are testing the 1,695 level. Initially the market was rejected, so we need to break above this level. This is the key intraday technical resistance in order to go first towards the 100 periods moving average, 1,743, and then towards the technical resistance at 1,800. So that's the outlook for the current Ethereum price action. Momentum is strong, broke above the level of 15. Nevertheless, this level is still under the pressure, so we might reverse a little bit lower, or hover around the level of 50 for quite some time. and especially a breakout above the intraday technical resistance 1695 will be the pivotal in the short term for the bulls, because then momentum should follow this breakout, and then of course we will be heading towards the 70 level. There is still the room to the upside. There's plenty of room to the upside. We are waiting for the bullish development on the Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. This is possible, again, this is possible just if the technical resistance is violated. Otherwise we might again develop the horizontal trend or even drop lower. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.